So we have completed the first exercise, exercise 8.1. Now we are coming to the subject, that is standard angles of trigonometric ratios. For that purpose, before going to the exercise, next exercise, we are to discuss how to remember the values of the different trigonometric ratios, that is the standard angles. In trigonometry, the standard angles are 5 standard angles, which is in your curriculum, in your course of studies. The 5 angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So I have written here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And I have written all the ratios, 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now, how to remember? Actually, we can prove with the help of geometry the values. That is, sine 0 degree is 0. We can prove it from geometry, which is not required. It is beyond the course of your study, but you are to remember the values. So, how to remember and how to prepare this table first? Very easy. Mechanically, we are producing this table. How? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can easily remember starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide all these numbers by 4. It is easily can be remembered. One can remember these things very easily. We have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then divided all the numbers by 4. Now we take the square root of the quotients. Square root of the quotients. Now 0 divided by 4 is 0 and the square root of 0 is 0. So sine 0 degree will be 0. Okay. Now 1 divided by 4, square root of 1 divided by 4 is half. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2, so it is half. So sine 30 degree will be half. Now sine 45 degree, 2 divided by 4 is half. Square root of half is, square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is root 2. Then root 3 by 4. 3 is not divisible by 4. So square root of 3, sine 60 degree will be square root of 3 divided by square root of 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree, 4 divided by 4, quotient is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Thus we get sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree half, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree 1. Now, first we wrote 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have divided the numbers by 4 and then we have taken the square root. And the results are thus: 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now, what will be cos 0 degree? I have already told you we are preparing this table mechanically and ultimately we are to remember these mechanically. If we write the values of sine in opposite direction, we get the values of cos. So sine 90 degree will be cos 0 degree. Sine 60 degree will be cos 30 degree. Sine 45 degree is also cos 45 degree. Same. Sine 30 degree will be cos 60 degree. And sine 0 degree will be cos 90 degree. Thus, we have found sine 0 degree 0, cos 0 degree 1. Sine 30 degree half, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Sine 45 degree half, cos 45 degree is also, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 60 degree is half. Sine 90 degree is 1, cos 90 degree is 0. So what we see? We see sine 0 degree is cos 90 degree, sine 30 degree is cos 60 degree, sine 45 degree is cos 45 degree, sine 60 degree is cos 30 degree, and sine 90 degree is cos 0 degree. Now we come to tangent. We know tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So tan 0 degree will be sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. Now sine 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1. So 0 divided by 1 is 0 divided by anything is 0. So 0 divided by 1 is also 0. Now tan 30 degree, sine 30 degree by cos 30 degree. Both the denominators are 2 and 2 cancelled. So it will be 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Now tan 45 degree, sine 45 by cos 45. Both are equal. So if we divide, we get 1. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Now tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, sine 60 by cos 60. 2 cancel, so root 3 by 1 means root 3. So tan 60 degree is root 3. And then tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree, 1 divided by 0. We know a number can't be divided by 0. It is meaningless. Actually, we put this symbol, infinity. That is meaningless ultimately. Now come to cotangent. Very easy. Tan is the reciprocal of cot is the reciprocal of tan. So cot 0 degree is 1 by tan 0 degree, ultimately 1 divided by 0, again meaningless. Also in this manner we can write, if we write the values from the right side to the left side, we can find the values of cot. So cot 0 degree is meaningless, 1 by 0, that is infinity or meaningless, whatever. Then cot 30 degree, 1 by tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3 is root 3, also tan 60 is root 3. Then cot 45 degree, cot 45 degree is tan 45 degree, 1 by 1 is 1. Then tan cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3, reciprocal of this one. Now what is cot 90 degree? Cot 90 degree is 0. Thus we have found out tan 0 degree is cot 90 degree, tan 30 degree is cot 60 degree, tan 45 degree is cot 45 degree, tan 60 degree is cot 30 degree, and tan 90 degree is cot 0 degree. Now how will you find the values of secant? Sec 0 degree. You know, sec is the reciprocal of cos. So sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Ultimately, sec 0 degree is 1 by cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. sec 30 degree is 1 by cos 30 degree, that is reciprocal of root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 degree is 1 by cos 45 degree, that is reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Then sec 60 degree is 1 by cos 60 degree, that is reciprocal of half is 2. Then sec 0 degree is sec 90 degree is 1 by cos 90 degree, that is 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 again meaningless, so we write this one again. Then cosecant. We know cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So cosec 0 degree will be 1 by sine 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree 1 by sine 0 degree, that is 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is meaningless. We have written. Also you can see from the right side it is sec 90 degree is cosec 0 degree. Take the reciprocal again. Reciprocal of half is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. Thus we see again sec 0 degree is cosec 90 degree. Sec 30 degree is cosec 60 degree. Sec 45 degree is cosec 45 degree. Sec 60 degree is cosec 30 degree. And sec 90 degree is cosec 0 degree. Now in this manner, if you prepare the table 10 times in a day, just in a day, for 1 day only, if you prepare this table in this manner for 10 times, ultimately you can remember all the values. Then when you come to solve problems, you will require to put the values of the standard angles of the trigonometric ratios, and you can remember easily and then you can apply easily. So this much for today. Thank you.